Welcome back to my channel. Okay, let me tell you, today I'm going to do some knotless box braids. Okay, so yes, my hair is long enough. I got out of the shower. My hair is dry now. I didn't put any product in. I just didn't, but I have my products now. Okay, you see this? This is the hair that I'm going to be using. This is the 3x Freetress Braid 301 natural texture. And this is in the color copper, and it's 28 inches. Okay, 28. I done bought so many of these because you know, you just never know. I think I have two of these packs left over. I guess when my hair get longer, I'll do some pigtails. I don't know, it'll be slamming. I also have my clips. I have my rubber bands. I have my edge control. I have my rat tail combs, and I have my brush. As far as this, yes, two of these broke. Yeah, two of them broke. I'm still gonna use it. Pair of scissors. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just mix these oils and stuff together. I'm gonna mix this concoction together. Okay, I'm gonna use my Melanin Hair Care Pure Oil multi-use, and I'm gonna just put it in here. Probably should put it on top, right? Anyway, put it in here. Then I'm gonna use my Maya L Organics Rosemary Oil. Let's see. Put the whole thing in there, Papa. The whole thing in there. Next, I'm gonna add my Allocate Naturals Shea Yogurt. And I'm gonna just sit that in my hand. Put it in here. And then I'm going to use my TGIN Miracle Repair Curl Food Moisturizer, Daily Moisturizer. Can y'all see that? Boom. I'm gonna take a nice amount out of here as well. Everything smells good. So maybe the Mayo, you know, it's not gonna smell all good. But anyway, I'm gonna also add this in. This is my first time ever doing this, but I think it's gonna be worth it. And I'm gonna just stir with my finger because it's gonna be in my hands anyway. So pour it over. It smells good together. And yes, it looks like a lot, but trust me, I'm gonna need it. If I'm gonna leave this in for almost a whole month, if I'm gonna leave this in for almost a whole month, I need all of it. If I can avoid heat right now at this time of my hair growth journey, then I will. You know what I'm saying? So I can work with it. It's long enough for me to work with it. So yeah. Here's a little ASMR for y'all too. Okay, now here's the part, okay? The parting. It is about 6:30 p.m. right now, okay? When 8:30 gets here, or at least 9 o'clock, I'm stopping and I'm gonna do a part 2 because but anyway, I don't even want to finish saying what I want to say. I couldn't even think of it, but y'all. But anyway, here's the part. I tried this before. It was just way easier for me to part my hair this way. Way easier. Try to find this. I'm gonna try my best to find where I parted it at. If it's a tiny bit crooked, that is fine. I'm not trying to make it perfect, just close to it. Oh. Okay. that's fine. That is fine, child. That's all right. Okay. Child, I can grab my hair now. Can you believe that? I can grab it and keep it in place. Okay, see? Something to work with the knotless. So far, so good. I am going to finish this and then go on to the next step. Okay. Okay, I am done. All right, so here is how my hair looks. I wanted to make sure that it didn't look like a rectangle because that's not what I was going for. But at the top of my head, I couldn't help it because it is what it is. You know, like, it's just how it turned out. But the back, I made sure it wasn't all rectangle-y. So here's the front. Okay, I'm just tired, child. It is almost 8 o'clock, okay? For real, it is almost 8 o'clock. This is, I think the longest part was parting the back. So I guess I'll start tomorrow on adding this hair in. Yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. I am tired. Okay, now what you all been waiting for. Ta-da! Yes, child. Yes, okay. These are down to my thighs, as you can see. See the parting, the length, child. I decided not to work out today because, child, my hair has a little bit of a tension. It's not like a huge tightness to it, but it's enough to be uncomfortable. Me, I hate pain. I can't handle pain, so. But look, and I started to dip these in like hot water, but child, it took 15 hours to do this, minus the breaks, well, including the breaks or whatever. But 15 hours to do this. I never really counted it until I did that time. I sure did. Woo, child. And I was gonna like wait till the next day and finish it, but I wanted to get this over with because it took so freaking long, okay? I will link these in the description box below if you're interested. This is the copper, and I didn't measure this. Hold on for a second. Yeah, I didn't measure this, so now I'm gonna start right now. I'm gonna start from right here where the plait starts, and then go all the way down. Okay. 42 inches. Oh my goodness, 42 inches. Yes, child. Now I gotta go ahead and oil my scalp. Okay, so you know the routine. I will just say I'm so glad I worked out and showered before I did my hair, because child, I would have been exhausted. I got done with my hairstyle at 3:41 in the morning. I started around 12 p.m. okay, and got done at 3:41 a.m. in the morning. I went to bed, and I actually went to bed around, I think 6 in the morning and woke up at 11 today. It's about 12 something now, but I don't know. But y'all, let's go ahead and just oil my scalp right quick. The last little bit of this, I'm just gonna put it on my hands a little bit and mix this with some Mielle organic oil. So I use the Melanin Hair Care Oil along with some Mielle Organics oil. And yeah, I'm just gonna dip that in and just put it all over. This should be enough. And then just put it over my hair. Some people use like a foam or whatever. They say it really doesn't do anything. They just like the look of it. And I'm like, well, I don't want products in my hair that's just for look purposes. Like, I want it to be doing something good, beneficial for my hair. And it's good to dilute this because that rosemary oil, that Mielle, child, is potent. It's potent. And let me show you something. This part right here, the back of my hair, I tried a different technique where I feed the hair into, maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. Let me see if I can zoom in. Where I feed the hair into my hair, and I did like 4 of them, and I was like, this is not gonna work out. It's not gonna work out. So I went ahead and just did this method, which I like so much better. So much better. I'm gonna I already did like a video. I just gotta edit it for my reels, and I'm also gonna do an edge reel. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all follow me on the gram, Shaleitra, okay? Follow me there because I'm gonna get ready to do some things. I am just really happy, you know. I'm really freaking happy about the results. And yeah, thank y'all so much for watching my video. My name is Shaleitra, and on this channel I do natural hairstyles, wig reviews, and hair product reviews. Okay, yes, I'm getting back to the whole little thing or whatever, but child, like, I really love this color, and it makes me look so much younger. Like what you talking about? But yeah, I like it, and I can't wait till my hair scalp gets used to this hair, because like I said, I finished early this morning, so it's gonna take about 2 days for it to, you know, relax and loosen up just a little bit. Child, the hair growth is gonna be crazy. Which is good, because I plan on leaving this in for about a month. So we're gonna see how that goes. Child, I got another reel to do with my baby hairs, and I have a makeup video to do. So yeah, that's it. Until y'all see me again in my next video. Bye. And you know what? Don't forget to watch the end of this. I'm gonna show y'all the end, okay? I'm gonna show you one more time. All right.